2024 Christmas has come and gone, and then we're in the new year, and there's something very, very interesting and noteworthy in the southeast. That is Igbo precisely. For the past 5 years or thereabouts, we've not had a relative celebration in the southeast. That is during Christmas period. I can remember like in last 2 years, I didn't even go home at all, although I live within the southeast because of the knowing insecurity. So, but this 2024 Christmas was relatively peaceful in almost all parts of the Igbo. I was in the village from 25th to the New Year, and a lot of things, life, nightlife returned. There were, I did hear, especially in Enugu, I did hear a lot of stories about disturbances, and it's something was nothing. I should say, Simon Igba was actually arrested mid-December, and he has not actually been charged, but he was later on charged, sent to prison. He's held in a custody. This month, he will actually be arraigned in court and be charged properly. So the peace in the southeast is good for everyone, and I was very happy. And a lot of people came back, and everybody was just very happy. And it's also worthy of note that, as we all know, our people actually return home en masse during Christmas, and this our almost sacred ritual was actually has been paused for some times because of the insecurity in the southeast. And I must say, like we had a lot of news in Anambra, though the governor has come out to say it's not true, but there are a lot of social media reports about kidnappings in Anambra State. But majority of the other states, I could say like 80% of their Igbo had relative peace. Not heard a lot of reports about the unknown government attacks and all that. Today is Monday, and I'm making this video on Monday. There is relative peace in the southeast. There's actually movement. The sit at home is actually coming to an end, and nobody has been attacked. I've not heard about any attack since today, and all throughout the southeast, it's been relative peace. Here we are in the capital of Enugu State. Alibo needs this peace, and every one of us as Igbo must actually contribute to this peace. The contributions must not be the same, but we all have a role to play in making sure that Igbo remains peaceful. Yours could be a tweet, yours could be a comment, yours could be a voice. It could be anything you could use to make the Southeast peaceful. Even guys we disagree with, there are a lot of us who don't actually agree, and it's very healthy for a very functioning society. We don't actually agree on a lot of things. You may have your own way of achieving your own end, and we also have our own way. But it's also very instructive that we all have common goal, although we may not have the same means, we may not agree to the same means to achieving that goal, but we're all brothers, and that issue of attacking one brother or the other must be discouraged by every sane person in the southeast. And Nnamdi has made it very clear when he appeared in court severally that the death of anyone in the southeast does not actually promote the good cause of the IPOB, that he is in detention because of the safety of his people, and there's no logical way any person can kill the same people he's in prison because of. There's been detention for over 4 years because of the same people, and there's no way those people could be losing their life. He has sacrificed his mother and father for that cause. We don't wish anyone bad. We pray Simon Igba comes out of prison, but we must say whether it's coincidence or him being actually away this Christmas was very noticeable in terms of the peace we had.